Hi, I'm Chris DiCillo, head bartender at Huckleberry Bar, 588 Grand Street. Today we're going to be making a split-based tiki cocktail with scotch and 2 types of rum. It's called the Straw Kilt. To start, we're going to start off with Glenlivet Founders Reserve, 1.5 ounces. Follow that up with Smith & Cross Jamaican pot still rum. Behind that, some New York City rum, Oni's. As a sweetener, we're going to use Velvet Falernum. It's a sweetener made from sugarcane, neutral-based spirit, usually flavored with almond, clove, lime. We're also going to use an apricot Thai chili infused syrup that we make here. For my citrus, I'm using 1 ounce pineapple juice. And I'm also going to incorporate about 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. Give this a good shake. Fill up our tiki glass. Garnish with a pineapple frond, a nice little parasol, and some fresh mint. There you have it.